Hello, this is ScampPair809896 and welcome to another vlog. And this vlog today is going to be about toilet tanks that I'm doing here. They both have a Fluidmaster fill valve, which is this part right here, but JK18, how you called this the flush valve. This is not a flush valve. This is a fill valve. But this one here is the flush valve, and this is the flapper, or what we call the flapper valve. But corky flappers are just pieces of crap because they don't have microband, and they only last like very shortly. And what a waste of money. So Fluidmaster is the best brand. As we see here, this is a 502 series. And I believe in this tank here, there's not a Fluidmaster in there, but I'll have to put a Fluidmaster in there sometime, or I'm going to put a Fluidmaster in that tank today for the video. And what's cool about this tank is one of my friends got a new toilet, and I got the old tank and the lid, but that one, I accidentally broke the lid when I was little, and we got a new tank for it. So that's the old tank, and I got that too. But what's cool about this one, look, it's not completely white like that one. It has a really super cool texture to it. Like, this is really super cool how there's a texture on it. Same as the lid. My neighbor has the same tank, but in boring white, but this is actually a really super cool tank. And right now, this flush valve here is a sloped one, as we see. And sloped ones are not as good as flat ones. So, see, that's a sloped one. And gotta go pull out a flat one. And the flat ones are, of course, by Fluidmaster. So, yeah, got this out. It has a Plumcraft flapper on it. What I like about Plumcraft too, it has a silicone ring, so I don't have to buy the whole flapper. All we have to do is take the flapper off, or if we want to really be a savage like I am, just hold it up and do it without taking it off. But instead of just replacing this whole thing, just unscrew this this bulb here and take this silicone ring off and replace it with the new one. So yeah, and some flush valves are 3-inch, and from my mom's work. And this flush valve was totally fine. Flapper the chain was a little short and it didn't go down, but I fixed it and there's no leaks at all. But I still wanted to replace the parts on it because look how short that overflow tube is. But I replaced it with one of these. But see how short that overflow tube? No worries. Boom. Now it's really tall. And I have seen a YouTuber how to adjust this. They have to take this whole cup bulb thing off, but that's not the right way. All you have to do is turn it. Like that. And yeah. And this is Fluidmaster's newer, I almost said flush valve. Guys, this is not a flush valve. This is a fill valve. Only if these holes were big enough on my chair, I could just screw that in. Or it's kind of big enough, but I could just screw that in if it was like a teeny bit bigger, so I could just have it stand up. So, yeah. And if there was like a bigger one for a flush valve, that could be awesome too, but yeah. And yeah. So I'm gonna, and since right now I'm going to just put a Fluidmaster flapper in that tank over there. I don't know why I did that. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I'm gonna make kind of a lot of videos this coming week because it's fall break and I'm not gonna be in school. Boring school. So yeah. There, I fixed it. With one hand. Alright. Tank is on the side, so I have to lay down on the floor. And for 2 bolted tanks, like, see how perfect I like made that flush 12 o'clock position with the overflow tube? That's how we're supposed to have it, not like 10 o'clock or something, only unless it's a 3 bolt, but we could do 12 o'clock position with 3 bolts, but we have to bolt. People bolt these the wrong way. They just stick it in the hole and bolt it onto the bowl. That ain't correct. You forgot to do something. You have to bolt it to the tank like that, or that's not the correct way how I bolted it to the tank. I like that. And this one's a 3 bolt. But I could just move this like to 12 o'clock position, even if it's over that bolt there. I could just put the thing like, yeah. So yeah, let's get started on. There's a piece of crap, Corky. Look how dark that is. Piece of crap. Let's take this flapper out. And this is an awfully weird looking flap. Did I just really do that? Like, I mean, did I just really break the handle? Like, did I just really break the freaking handle? Alright guys, we'll just have to go without a handle for now on this tank. I like accidental broke the freaking handle. That was a really good handle I had until it broke. There, I set the camera up. Now, time to put the Fluidmaster 502 series in. Just like that. It's really hard for me to do it like this because gravity, chains. Alright. In there. There's finally a Fluidmaster 502 series in there. Yay. We just reached 10 minutes. All right. So that was basically quite a journey. Accidentally breaking a freaking handle. I just almost knocked over that tank. I need to be careful with these tanks. But that handle's still intact. All right. Gotta try to find a new handle now. And I doubt that I'll have a new handle. Wait a minute. I actually do. The metal handle. Oh, I also accidentally broke this one too. I just keep breaking handles. Ugh. There it is. Yeah, I accidentally broke the metal piece off. So what I did, I drilled a hole, and yeah, it basically fixed it. All right. Guess I'll just have to put this one in. All right. Metal handle is now in. This is made metal. It's actually really super good handle. It's my record, my handles. Oh yeah, when we put toilet flush handles in, always, it's not righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. It's lefty-tighty, righty-loosey. All right, let's just set that down right now, like that. Hopefully I could pull it somehow. It's hard to do with one hand, but there, it's now in. And how am I going to put the freaking chain in? I need a hook. I'll be back when I get a hook. Alright guys, I have fussed enough with putting a Fluidmaster in there. Especially not getting that hook right, but where did the Fluidmaster 502 series go? Let's find out. It's now in that tank, but now I'm gonna put a 501 in this tank. It's like that. Now I'm going to have to get that hook right on this. All right. Alright. I think I should just move it somewhere else. Just oh wow, this really makes a big difference. So I put it on that one, it only went up like that. I put it on that one, and it goes up like that. Really nice. So yeah. This will be it for today's video. Subscribe, comment down, and like. And turn notifications on. Bye.